find out the value of this. Find out the value of this. How? This root 75. So root 75 is equal to, we can write the root 25 into 3, and root 25 is the 5 and root 3. This is, and root 72 we can write the 36 into 2, and root 36 there is the 6 and root 2. And so we can write here this is value. This value is 5 root 3, and this value is 6 root 2. And now this is 5 root 3. We can write the root 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3, and this we can write, we can write the 2 into 3 root 2. We can write this is root 2, and we can write this. And now this is value, this value is find out. So this 3 root 2 we can write the root 9 into 2. This is here, and this is the, we can write the 18, and this 18 we can write the 6 into 3. We can write this, and this 6 into 3 we can write this is the 6, this is the 6, and this 3 is right root 3 into 3. You can write this. And now this 6 is the 2 into 3, and this is the 3 into 3, and this is the root, and this 2, and we can write 2 root 3, and another into this 3 and this root 3, so 3 root 3. So this value is this 2 root 3 into 3 root 3. So we can write here, this is 3 root 3 is root, and this is square. We can write this is the a square. 2 root 3 and root, this is the square. We can write this square, and this is the root, and there is the 2 is here, and this value is this. So this value is the 2 root 3 into 3 root 3, and this is the root, and this is the a square, and this is the b square, this is the b, and this is the b square, and this is the b, and this is the a, this is the a, and this is the b. So there is formula is, so there is root, and there is totally a plus b whole square formula. So we can write 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3. This is the square, and this is root, and this square is cut. So we can write there 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3. This is the root, and so this is, we can write, this is 3, this is the root, so this is the half, and this 3, this is the root is here, and again the root is here. So this is the before, and this is the similarly, this is the 2 half, and this is the 3 root 4. So you can write 3 root 4, and this is, we can write this half and 2 half. So this is the value of this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.